Hello guys, good morning, assalamu alaikum. So guys, this is my fifth day of speaking. So guys, let's talk let's talk about something. Let's talk about something. So guys, my main motive is to speak in English. My main motive is to speak in English. Means I have to become a very good English speaker, and I have to become a very good motivational speaker. I have to become a very good motivational speaker as well as become a very good English speaker. So these are my goals that I have to achieve. So these are my goals that I have to achieve. So guys, let's start our video. So finally guys, we so finally guys, let's start our video. So guys, everybody has a different choice. Everybody has a different everybody has a everybody has a different choice. Even I have. Some people likes to some people likes to play. Some people likes to some people likes to play Free Fire and all. And some actually I should calm myself. First of all, I should calm myself. There are multiple of thoughts are coming on my head. There are multiple of thoughts coming on my head. So I think I should be calm. Yeah. I should be calm while I talk. When I talk, now I should be calm. I should not be I should not be in a hurry. I should not be in a hurry. Means throughout the day, throughout the day throughout the day I listen to the videos. I watch the videos of English. I watch the videos of English, and in the morning I used to practice before the camera. And I used to practice in the morning before the camera. So guys, I have to compare myself. After 1 month that this is my first day of speaking, and this is my 30th day of speaking. So which is looking very nice, which is fun, which is better. You have to compare, okay? I'm not gonna compare anything. I'm just competing myself. I'm just competing myself. It's very difficult to speak before the camera, before the camera, before the camera, before the camera, camera. It's very difficult to speak. It's very difficult to speak before the camera. And when you get habituated into this, and when you get habituated into this, then this thing will be easier to you. Literally, I'm telling you. If you don't believe me, then you can apply it over yourself. So it's been 4 minutes of my videos. And so guys, it's Friday today. I have a lots of work. It's Friday today, and I have a lots of work to do, and I have to finish all the task. Very, I have to finish all the task. I have to finish all the tasks in a good way, in a in a more better way, I have to I have to finish all the tasks in a good way. I have to finish all the tasks in a good way. I don't have to I don't have to leave I don't have to leave any single task. I don't have to leave any single task by incomplete. I don't have to leave any single incomplete task. I don't have to leave any single incomplete task. I have to finish all the tasks. I have to finish all the tasks. I have to finish all the tasks. So Samir, are you able to learn that whatever you want, that you are expecting? So Samir, are you able to learn that you are expecting right now? That you are expecting right now. So guys. Everybody has a choice. Everybody has a choice. And I like to make the videos. I was thinking that whenever I will make the videos on camera, then how I'll be looking, on the camera. That's why I decided to make the videos. And as you can see right now, I'm making this as you can see right now I'm making this video, and I'm looking very nice before the camera, because I'm little I'm little nervous, confident confident. And thank you so much. Thanks to Allah that I'm speaking very nicely. Thanks to Allah that I'm speaking very nicely. I can share each and every points of mine very beautifully. So it's been 7 minutes now. It's been 7 minutes now of my videos. It's been 7 minutes now of my videos. It's been 7 minutes now of my videos. Now I can now now I'm thinking about the points that what to tell you, what to tell you, what to put in front of you, So let me think about that. Guys. So tomorrow tomorrow I'll be joining my work, and over there I don't know how the day will be, and I don't know about the tomorrow that how would be my day. But whatever will be happened, everything should be everything should be in the mashallah way. Everything should be happened in the mashallah way. And mashallah. Mm. So guys, you just have to focus on you just have to focus on confidence. You just have to focus on yourself. Don't chase the people. Don't run after the people. Don't chase the people. Don't become the people pleaser. Yeah, I was watching some videos of Alina Reis, and I'm a huge fan of him. And I'm not a fan, but I used to follow everyone, but I used to listen to everyone. But I follow no one. There is a line. In a quote. There is a line in a quote. There is a line in a quote. So in that quote, it was written. It was written like it was written that. It was written that learn from everyone, but follow no one. Learn from everyone, but follow no one. What did you say by? What did you learn by this? What did you learn by this? This is telling you that you have to collect the information from everyone, but you have to follow in your way. Means if you are describing the points, then don't speak like him. You have to follow. You have to speak like your own. That this person is telling this person is telling in a very good manner. And if the person and if the others will watch you, then he should be then they should be appreciated to you. Then they should They should be admire you and appreciate you. So this is the funda. So this is the funda of this is the funda of speaking in English. This is the funda of speaking. At least be consistent and be disciplined, and thereafter you will achieve whatever you want, Sometimes what happens to me. I miss the points. That what to speak, what to tell now, what to speak now. I feel my mind gets empty यार. My mind gets empty. खाली हो जाता है. My mind gets empty sometimes. But after the camera, after the shooting of my videos, I used to have a lots of points. But while making the videos, that time I don't have. So I have to fix this problem. Into me. That why I'm not getting the points when I speak before the camera. So guys, this will happen. But I have to make this happen. This will happen to me, but I have to make this happen to me. Yes.